Firehouse. Today, we're making Inferno slime. Inferno slime. Here's a list of things we're going to need. 8 ounces of glue. 1/4 of a cup of water. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. 1 tablespoon of yellow food coloring. 2 cups of shaving cream. 3 tablespoons of contact lens solution. Now that we got all our ingredients, we can mix them together. First, add the glue to the bowl. Next, we add water, baking soda, and food coloring. Mix it all together. Now, we add the shaving cream. Mix it all together and the slime looks like fire. Last, we add the contact lens solution. Mix it some more and the slime starts to form. The slime's going to be really sticky. After you play with it for 3 to 5 minutes, the stickiness will go away. Now we play. Thanks for stopping by Tommy Flames Firehouse. And remember, kid, be your own hero. And we'll see you at the big one.
Hey parents, if your kids love our videos, hit the subscribe button. We'll notify you when we post our newest videos. And if your kids want any of our junior firefighter gear, stop by TommyFlames.com. We'll see you at the big one.